Hello, I'm Jose Luis Torres Jr. I am here at the ASU Makerspace building a door. So first I'm going to start off by explaining exactly what a door is. Alright, so here we have a standard commercial door. A different type of design of a handle. This is more so a pressure handle. As you can see, this is connected to this. Oh, no, this is not. This is different. But this is just a simple pressure handle. But when you go outside of it, here are the hinges. First set, second set, third set. Commercial doors tend to have always three, but depending on the building or etc., they could have more. Rarely do you ever see a door with only two hinges. That is usually unsafe. But as you can see, each hinge has four tightly fitted screws, so the hinges aren't loose or wobbly, which could cause accidents. In our door, our hinges will probably be in a similar area of the door and the jamb, but I am still thinking about how I'm gonna settle the hinges in. But it's gonna look something like this. Those hinges are later allow the door to turn in a 180-degree radius to allow a person to enter a secluded area that the door is secluding. For my example here today, I guess you could say the structure of a door. I'm still in the process of making it. So here, what I am doing is pulling out the sheet that I need to cut out so I can later cover the inner frame of the door so it looks nice and doesn't actually expose the wood. And here, we are preparing to cut that same wood that we were using, so we can later use it to cover our scaffolding of the door.
Watching.
All right.
Hit it.
Marks, you good? All good?
Hit it. You like butter, boy?
Okay. So right now we have both of our beautiful handles for our door. We just recently 3D printed them out overnight, and this is the after results. As you can see, it's a fairly decent amount of grip area for your hand. So right now I'm looking for decently sized screws, preferably preferably the same type. Like for example, these ones, 4 stars, decently sized. Can they pierce through the? Okay, they can, and there's a decent. Okay, that's good. Right now, just measuring where exactly I want the handle to go, and you gotta make sure to always keep the handle steady. Now we're gonna drill a hole. Okay, good. And there, ladies and gents, is our first handle. And here's my door. It's janky. It's not the best door. I get it. And my first time building anything, I have no experience whatsoever, but it's not as bad as I expected it to be. So here we have a handle. It's on both sides. Here we have a block, not barrier, a supporter, so the door doesn't hang over and tilt this entire thing. Out here we have the frame, and all the way down here is the end part of the frame. On the sides of the frame we have supports, so the door can hold itself steady and doesn't fall over to either side. And then here we have the actual door. So here we have 1, 2, 3 hinges on the inside of the door itself, in between the door and the frame. Just like the other door we talked about previously, each of these hinges has 3 screws on each part of the actual hinge, totaling 6 screws per hinge, well secured on the door and the frame. So if we lift the door upwards and then pull, it can firmly stand and pull over, and then we pivot again to secure the door in place.